Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this peachy and gold spring look and I'm really obsessed with it. I have been wearing this look non-stop lately. For this look I have been using the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Before we start with the tutorial, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button, it would really mean a lot to me. First, I'm going in with the color Birch on a Morphe M 573 blending brush. I am buffing the color into my crease. I'm starting at the outer corner and I'm bringing the color all the way to my inner corner. Then I'm taking the color Bloom on the same brush and I'm repeating this step. To deepen up my outer corner just a tiny bit, I'm taking the color Twig again on my Morphe M 573 brush and I'm packing it onto my outer corner. Then I'm taking the color Bloom and I'm going over the color Twig and I'm blending it out. Now I'm taking the color Steampunk on a Sigma E58 brush and I'm applying the color to my mobile lid and a little bit above. Then I'm taking the Morphe brush I used before with the color Bloom on it and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm reapplying the color Steampunk to my lid. I'm taking the Morphe JH 38 brush and the color Birch and I'm blending it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the same brush with the color Bloom and I'm applying it even closer to my lash line. Now I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm blending over the edges. Then I'm taking the color Twig on the same pencil brush and I'm deepening up my outer corner. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking the color Pearl on the Morphe M 213 brush. I'm taking the Essence Inner Rim Eye Pencil and I'm brightening up my lower waterline with it. Now I'm applying some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you like it and that you enjoyed watching the video. Please hit the like button and comment down below what you would like to see in the future. I wish you a wonderful day and I hope to see you in my next video.